Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this guided meditation that will help you feel supported and comforted by the truth that hope is never lost. Its guiding light is always here, no matter how much we may feel swallowed by the darkness. Let this meditation help guide you back to the light of hope that is not out there. It is within you. You need not reach for it because you are it. I'm so glad you're here, dear one. If we haven't met yet, I'm Carolyn, spiritual life coach, and this channel is all about helping you still your mind and awaken your soul while using the healing energy of horses as our guide. Before we begin, dear one, let your eyes gaze over the images of the horses who will be coming along with you throughout this meditation. Let their soulful strength and their powerful presence wash over you. Feel yourself being bathed in a healing light that is calm, confident, peaceful, and present. Horses are prey animals. They must remain in the present moment, calm yet alert, in order to respond only if and only when it is needed. For them, there is no yesterday. There is no tomorrow. In each present moment, they embody a state that is gentle and soft, while remaining connected to their immense power and their wild and true nature. And so they invite us to do the same. Let this wisdom of the horses merge with you now as you get yourself comfortable. Whether it's sitting or lying down, follow what feels good to you right now. And then whenever you're ready, gently allow your eyes to close. Bring your attention to your breathing. Just observe it. Don't try to do anything, accept nothing, but pay attention. Pay attention to the quality of your breath. Pay attention to the length of your breath, the sound of your breath, the shape, the texture. Pay attention. And through your greater attention and your deeper awareness, let your breathing become a full-bodied, multi-layered, multifaceted, multi-dimensional experience. Let it become everything. Let yourself experience everything by experiencing nothing else outside of this breath and this moment. And this next breath, in this next moment, in each breath and each moment that flows forth continuously, rhythmically, softly from this one and this one and this one. Inhale. Pay attention to the full experience of breathing in. Exhale. Pay attention to the full experience of breathing out. No matter what your mind may have been telling you before this moment, let your body show you that this moment is all that matters. This moment is all there is. All is here in this moment. Let yourself experience the bigness and vastness and everythingness that this moment is. All cannot possibly be lost because all is here right now. Keep breathing to the rhythm of everything is here now. Now is all, and now is everything. Inhaling, exhaling. Vastness, limitlessness, everythingness. You are never lost because you are the light. Don't look for it. Feel it. Don't have hope. Be hope. How would hope feel? What would hope do? The flower does not question if it is a flower. just is one. And because it is, there is no question. The more we can let go of questioning, the more we can lean into experiencing the light that is within us, the light that never left us. So let go of the questioning, beautiful soul. Every single question pushes you further away from the truth of who you are, from the experience of now. You are the experience of you are now. So let go as you continue breathing softly, gently, ever so lovingly. With each beautiful breath, let go on each exhale of being somewhere else, being someone else, having something else other than what you have right now. Who you are right now. Where you are right now. When you are here, so is hope. When you are right now is filled with hope. Take some final moments here to sink even further into the support and love and hope-filled energy that you have cultivated here today. Keep breathing and keep being. All the answers are here when you let go of the question. So be here and let go. And then whenever you're ready, come back to the room and gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation helped you feel into the light of hope that is always here for you. Please let me know in the comments if it was supportive for you, as it really does mean so much to me to hear from you. And if you'd like to go deeper with getting out of your head and back into your heart, then I invite you to take advantage of my free 3-day mini course, Master Your Energy. You can click on the link in the description below. And as always, if you received any benefit from this meditation, please do show it some love by clicking like and subscribe, as this really does help me create more of them for you. Thank you so much for listening, dear one. Have a beautiful day.